Frankie! Frankie!
Letty, is that you?
I'm here, Frankie.
Come closer.
Yes, what is it?
I'm so cold.
That's just because we're cold-blooded. Ow!
Moron.
Frankie, no. No! This is all my fault. I'm so sorry, Frankie. How am I ever gonna explain this to Pop? Oh, no.